Oh my gosh, it's raining so heavily. Please see part 1 of the heaviest thunderstorm. And this is what it is like now. It's like you know, like a swimming pool already. Like it's so dark, and it's just filling with water. Sorry for the curtain. Sorry. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh my gosh. So for the curtain again, first walking. Wow, can you just hear that sound? That is what I am experiencing now in Singapore. I think the whole of Singapore is raining right now because I can just really like feel it. And it's just really dark right here. I'm really scared. And you know, really scared. Yeah. And nobody's even walking, of course. Nobody will even dare to walk.
Water is coming here.
Okay, bye guys, and I hope you enjoyed this thunderstorm. I'm not enjoying it, but hope you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe, and if any suggestions, please leave a comment down below.
What the? Oh my god! Do you
Oh my gosh!
stop the video, or is it still?
It's still. Okay, wait a minute, guys. Did you hear that? It was a thunderstorm. Oh my
I
gosh.
think it's not safe.
Okay, I don't think
we need to stop.
we need to stop this video. Bye guys.